Everyday bananas are a portable snack you can enjoy immediately after your workout, offering carbs and potassium, two muscle-friendly, post-workout nutrients. Add bananas to whole grain pancakes, toss them in a smoothie, mash them onto toast with peanut butter or simply peel and eat. This tiny grain is packed with healthy carbs and plant-based protein, two macronutrients that work with your body for a speedy post-workout recovery. Plan ahead and cook up a few days' worth for fast food you can quickly snack on after exercising.
Eggs are a source of highly bioavailable protein, which helps to replenish and increase muscle stores after exercising. What's more, they're quick, versatile and more affordable than a shake at your smoothie bar.
Chicken brings tons of easily digestible protein to your post-workout routine. Meal prep grilled or roasted chicken at the beginning of the week to quickly add to salads, lettuce wraps or any other after-exercise meal. Eating fiber-rich foods before a workout can cause digestive distress, but afterwards, these foods can help to replenish blood sugar levels. Chickpeas are a post-workout superfood, containing good-for-you carbs and plant-based protein in one tidy package. Yogurt, especially the Greek variety, provides portable protein and calcium, two nutrients that enhance your post-workout recovery. Skip the flavored type and go for plain, seasoning with fruit and honey or maple syrup to taste, or add in lieu of protein powder to your go-to smoothie recipe. Salmon and other omega-3 rich fish provide protein for muscle recovery along with healthy fats to reduce joint inflammation and keep your cardiovascular system in top form. The quick cooking protein is the ultimate weeknight-friendly, post-workout dinner. A handful of nuts after a workout provides protein, fiber and healthy fats, keeping your stomach satisfied until you can get something more substantial to eat. Keep a small pack of almonds in your workout bag, top your lunchtime salad with walnuts and so much more. Nuts are extremely versatile. After a workout is the best time to enjoy comforting, healthy carbs like oatmeal, which effectively replenishes hard-working muscles. Cook up a batch of hot oatmeal or add a handful of oats to your favorite pancake recipe. It's a simple grain that can be prepared in a flash. Sweet potatoes are popular with the fitness crowd because they bring carbs, fiber and potassium to the table, assisting in the post-workout recovery department. And, they're delicious, versatile and can be dressed up or down in myriad ways.